Yeah, your boy, check, whoop, chain. What's happening, my viewers? What's going on? God bless. I went to Northern today, and I bought my tools, so I can get out here and go ahead on and take this start on out this motherfucker. So today at Northern, I bought the external torx socket and torx bit kit. It's a pretty good one. This is what I'm gonna need in order to get that starter off of this BMW. So, boom. So I'm gonna do that. I'm doing this video because I want to put my bag inside of my car, so when I get ready to do it, I have what I need. Oh man, I got motorcycle parts and everything. These bags got to come out of here. I want to sit this right here on my dashboard because this is where I be working at. Now this trunk go on the line. That's the line for the trunk. That's the line for the trunk. I got all this stuff in here, and it got to come out of here. What is that? The liner. Okay. I got all my stuff in here. Also, let me see. I think I had bought a damn. I bought that dang on heater core. See, ain't this it? That's not the new heater core. That's that throttle body for that 2011 Dodge Ram pickup truck I had. I got that, but all these here is my motorcycle bits, pieces. This the front, this the grill. I got some tools already in here. Keys to these. I got keys to that scooter in here, and some of that engine restore and lubricant had never been opened. Yeah, let's see what I got right here. I had an envelope full of this, full of dollars in here. Somebody took that out my damn car. I tell you, boy, people stealing ain't good. But I got my work gloves. I got a pickup stick. Yeah, that's my engine cover. Oh, let's see. Like I say, this the trunk liner. I ain't worrying about that. I got a couple of these scooter batteries in here too, so I won't forget. And I also got that strap that I can use. It's with a winch on it. What is that? Little trash.
Come on.
Okay, you ready, bro? Yeah, man. We gotta rinse your cage out, Ting Ting.